Hello everyone, how do you do? I guess you know the reply to that. Just in case you don't, if I say how do, you have to reply how do you do. So, I'm going to be talking on how to use the computer laboratory. Some of us will just enter computer laboratory, play. That's not a playground. The computer laboratory is a place where computer systems are, and computer is expensive. So if you are in a computer laboratory, you don't have to be nasty about things. You have to take things easy. You don't have to match wire that you see. Any cable you see on the floor, please avoid it, because from a little mistake, everything can get disconnected. So a laboratory, computer laboratory is not a playground. There are ethics, computer room ethics. There are computer laboratory, I beg your pardon, computer laboratory rules and regulations. So you have to abide by them. You don't carry food or drinks into the laboratory. For no reason should you be found with food or drinks, because those things can spoil or damage the computer system. Number two, as you're entering into, you have to be careful of the cables, be careful of the connections, because any little mistake, everything can get shattered. Number three, as you're entering the laboratory, don't touch anything you have not been asked to touch. People, don't touch them, because any little thing you touch can turn to a big thing. You might think I'm just touching this, it's not a small thing. That small thing could be very big and mighty. So you have to be very careful, very careful. And if you are move under the instructions of your instructor or your computer teacher or any adult that is there to supervise you. Move under the instructions of your supervisor, because that's the only person that knows more than you there. And as you are entering the computer laboratory, you have to be careful. You have to be observant, observe everything, because entering computer laboratory is not just to play and come out. You are there to learn too. You have to be very observant. So if you don't know what to do in a computer laboratory, please don't just do anything you see or anything your mind tells you. Meet your supervisor to educate you or show you, instruct you on what to do and what not to do. And as a good computer operator, you have to be very articulate. You have to be good with your hands as per using the keyboard. You have to be good with your eyes. You have to know what to do, what not to do, because sometimes for computer lab they choke. You have to stay hydrated, because the computer systems generate heat, and that's why most computer labs have air conditioners or fan, but sometimes fan no dey enough. So it's good to stay hydrated. Blink your eyes always, because your eyes are always fixed on the system. So sometimes you take your eyes off it, blink to get back your eyes, the moisture in your eyes, yes. So please learn to blink, learn to stretch your fingers like this after being on the keyboard for a long period of time. You have to stretch your fingers so your finger no go dey like this. And if you are in the computer lab, you have to dust the systems before you use them. There are methods on how to dust the systems, and I'm going to show that to us later in a write-up. You have to know how to dust the systems. You don't just carry anything. Please avoid wet clothes near the computer systems, please. Don't use wet clothes and clean your screens. You say you are a sanitary prefect or you're the most cleanest person in the world. Please avoid. You can only use isopropyl alcohol. That's the only liquid that is accepted, and very little quantity. So you have to know how to do your way around the computer system while cleaning it up. And please, the cleanliness of the systems matters a lot, because those dust accumulated by the computer systems can cause a lot of damage in it. I'm going to continue this video later with more tips on how to use the computer laboratory. Stay tuned. Thank you. See you in my next video.